Imagine creating mind-blowing AI images without paying a dime or dealing with complicated prompts. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With TensorART, you can generate stunning custom images with just one click. And the best part, it's completely free. Get amazing results with GPT for only $20 a month, but with TensorART, it's absolutely free. Just upload your image with one click, no prompts needed. Have you ever come across a cool image on social media and seen the creator say, "I made this with ChatGPT"? It gets you excited, right? You rush to open ChatGPT, follow the tutorial, upload your image, type in a prompt, and then nothing happens. It's frustrating, especially when you're hoping for that easy, instant result. But what if I told you there's a better way? With TensorART, you can get the same results, and the best part is it's free. No more complicated prompts, just upload your image, click once, and voila. Instant results, as simple as that. It's time to ditch the confusion and enjoy easy, fast image creation with TensorART. And let's be honest, it's not exactly cheap, right? So, what do you do when you're stuck in that situation? This is where TensorART steps in to save the day. With TensorART, you don't need to depend on anyone else to create stunning images. It's incredibly easy. Just one click and you're all set. Let's say I want to create a cool Ghibli-style illustration. All I have to do is find the right tool in TensorART, upload my image as directed, make a few tweaks if needed, and just like that, I've got my very own custom illustration. It's that simple. The results? They look just like the ones you'd get with GPT, but with TensorART, it's way more fun. And that's not all. There's a whole range of tools for 3D Polaroid effects, Animal Crossing vibes, Snoopy-style creations, and more. Every time you generate something, it costs about 5 points or even less. If you're not a member, you still get 50 free points every day. But if you are a member, you get a generous 300 points daily. That's more than enough to unlock all the magic TensorART has to offer. But what if the effect you want isn't available? In the AI tool list? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's what you do. First, figure out the style or look you're aiming for, and start gathering some example images. So, here's the secret. Build your own custom dataset. I'd say around 20 images should be enough to get started. But if you gather about 40, you'll get even more consistent results. Now, head over to TensorART's online training, upload your dataset, and choose a base model that fits your style. No need to mess with the other settings. Just enter your trigger words and model effect preview prompt and hit start training. In no time, your very own custom LoRa model will be ready. Pick the one that looks best to you, add your LoRa to the project, and publish it. Here's a pro tip. If you ever tweak your LoRa or retrain it with a different base model, just add the updated version to the same project. It'll make managing your creations so much easier. Create stunning AI images in just a few clicks. It's easier than you think. Now let's move on and pick a workflow. We'll use the image-to-image option. For this example, let's say we've trained our custom model using the illustrious base model. I'll go ahead and adjust the settings in the workflow to match that model. Next, I upload a photo of my dog. Once it's uploaded, I simply click Generate and make a few tweaks until the image looks just right. When I'm happy with the result, I can save this workflow as a new tool, and just like that, everything is ready to go. See? It's that easy. Now, let's run it through the AI tool interface and check the results. Yep, still looking awesome. The way, if you're loving what TensorART can do, you might want to check out our membership tools. I've left all the details and perks in the video description, so be sure to take a look if you're interested. Plus, you can even make a little extra cash while you're at it. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop in the comments. I'd love to chat with you. And if there's anything specific you want to see on my channel, just let me know. If you're curious about how this AI makes me money while I sleep, DFans plus AI OFM secrets revealed, click on the video to the left. If you're ready to create Minecraft movie from Image Best AI Video Generator, free Edimacore 2025, click on the video to your right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI goodbye.